Do you need a new, unique way to beautify your entrance? Try Custom Flooring Inlays. Since 1985, Hydro-Lazer Inc. has been creating and installing highly impressive flooring installations for all industries, from hospitals to schools to architectural projects and so many more. We use specialized waterjet cutting techniques to create custom logos and flooring inlays that can accentuate the beauty of any space. Our production and design teams are trained to work directly with you to ensure all aspects of the job are completed to your specifications. We produce the highest standard of quality and have completed more than 10,000 waterjet cutting and flooring inlay jobs in many different fields with our value-driven custom waterjet cutting solutions. We utilize resilient VCT, luxury vinyls, marble, carpet, mosaics, ceramics, or other materials to enhance, maintain, and beautify your flooring. Simply submit a sketch or picture of your desired design and we convert it into a reality. For more information on our exquisite flooring inlays, simply visit hydro-lazer.com or call 724-295-9100 today.